WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about how to securely get data from database and display it for the HTML part. So it is necessary to remove some doubtful HTML code or script, something which is malicious to display on the screen. So before jumping into the code, let me show you one thing. So this is my local site and this is my custom plugin. So I am doing this playlist called WordPress Data Security, and in our previous videos I showed you how to store data securely to the database, and we uh, now in this video we are looking into how to get data from the database securely. So in our previous video I showed you the text area part, so we will continue on that. So if you don't know how to do that, so I would suggest to watch this video first and then come back again on this video. Otherwise, if you know what you are doing, then just keep watching the video. But in short, let me show you what we have done so far. So if I edit any post, we have created these custom fields and couple of text areas in which we are. So in this text area we are not allowing any HTML, and in this text area we are allowing any this div tag only. So for first of all, let's remove the security for this text area and allow everything. So I'm gonna open my custom plugin. My plugin includes admin.php, and not this one, I think here. Okay, yes. So let's get rid of this sidebar. So yeah, this is the text area field where we use sanitize text area field function. So as of now I'm removing this so that we can store the HTML inside this field. So let's say I'm gonna add a script alert slash script, update it, and let's see if it is stored or not. So it is stored. Let's preview this post, and let's assume that we are displaying whatever we have in this text area over here. So let's open this uh, file from the theme. So I'm gonna open themes 2021, which is my file, and I'm gonna open single.php. Let's confirm that whatever we write here will display over here. So let's refresh this, and yes. So let's say I am gonna print whatever we have that inside this div. That means in the HTML. So this is the HTML, and in this video we are going to see how we can securely output the HTML. But before that, let's get the data. I'm gonna call it big data equal to get post meta, because we are storing that into post meta. So let's get that post meta. First argument will be post id, so get the id and meta key and true, whether it is single value or not. And let's print this over here. So we are preparing an HTML over here, and now let's see what happens. So as you can see, we see this alert box over here, which is very dangerous. Anyone can insert any data over here with which malicious code, and it can hack or display some weird things on your site. So how to prevent that? So one thing we can prevent is to prevent in being inserted into the database that we already seen. But what if you have already that in the database? So for that, if it is an HTML, then we have to use function called esc HTML. So over here I will put this esc HTML, and now let's try to refresh this. So as you can see, no alert box displayed. Instead it just print this script, which is not actually an HTML right now. It is converted into a string and it is displaying like this. So this is how you can prevent some malicious code. And you can prevent your site being hacked. So this is for the HTML part only. Now in the next video we will be preventing this malicious code for the HTML tags attributes. So this is the video, guys. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.